going to take a quick look at a Southworth LS36 lift table. The 36 stands for 36 inches of travel. It has a 7-inch lowered height and a 43-inch raised height, and obviously that's going to give you 36 inches of lift. This table has a 2,500 pound capacity, a 4 foot wide by 2 foot deep top. It's powered by a 1 horsepower Balder motor, 208, 230, 460 volt, currently wired for 460 volt operation. What's nice about 3-phase lifts is they will lift much faster under load. You're not going to see much of a difference when they're unloaded, but when you actually put 2,500 pounds, they will lift much faster than their single phase counterparts. This one does have the mobility kit, so it does have the rear wheels. It also does have the twist lock for your power and controls. Comes with a Spectre starter. And if we come around, you can see this, your piston here is nice and dry, so there's no seepage on any of the hoses. We don't see any issues with this lift. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.